Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, continue tayo guys sa ating nasimulang history tungkol dito sa ating 10 centimes ng France na mayroong taon na 1995. Dito na tayo sa page 9 guys. Ito ay tinatawag na Valois Angoulême or Angoulême. 1549 ang kanyang date. A considerable acceleration in the debasement of French, English and Dutch currencies occurred during the reign of Valois Angoulême kings in the 16th century amidst the high influx of precious metals from the American continent arriving through the Habsburg Netherlands. The law's enforcement of monetary standards in the Dutch province resulted in a significant one-third reduction in the value of the French livres or livre by 1549. With debasement continuing into the 17th century. The French owns 30.594 grams of fine silver was raised or from 25 to 37.5 sols turnoise. The echo of Soleil of 3.2754 grams fine gold was raised in a value from 25 to 37.5 sols parisis or 31.1/4 to approximately 47 sols turnoise. This 50% advance was also seen in England in 1551 when it reached its troy ounce of sterling silver from 40 to 60 pence, and in the 17th century when Germany raised its 1 ounce silver dollar from 1 to 1.5 silver gulden. The 16th century saw the issuance of larger silver coins first in testons, 9 grams fine of silver values at 11 sols turnoise in 1549, and later on the silver francs 12.3 grams fine silver valued at 1 livre turnoise in 1577. The French coins, however, were much less popular than the 1 ounce silver coins coming out of the Spain, the Netherlands, and Germany, leading to the 1641 currency reform under the King Louis XIII. Henry III exploited the association of the francs as sound money worth 1 livre turnoise when besought to stabilize French currency in 1577. By the time inflows of gold and silver from Spanish America had caused inflation throughout the world economy, and the kings of France, who weren't getting much of this wealth, only made things worse by manipulating the values assigned to their coins. The State General which met at Louis in 1577 added to the public pressure to the staff currency manipulation. Henry III agreed to do this, and he revived the francs now as a silver coin value at 1 livre turnoise. These coins and its fraction circulated until 1641 when Louis XIII of France replaced it with the silver echo. Nevertheless, the name France continued in accounting as a synonym for the livre turnoise.